evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to my store. This is salto of chicken. This is enerton for chicken. This is a pollard of pig. This is a starter. This is a lalmax toplas. This is a grower. This is a rice. This is a chicharia. This is a Pupico Blanca milk. This is a Sanis. This is a Burstry. This is a Milo. Ovaltine. This is a Magic Flex. This is a Energy. This is a Nescafe Stick. This is a Jungle Bite. Food of baby. This is a junk food. Halo. This is a Nesty juice. This is Ace wafer. This is Marie. This is Easy. And this is very. It's a very ngit. Sa English ang ngit. Nakalimutan ko eh. That's all. Bye.